What's up guys, it's Steph. Today I'm going to be making lemon butter salmon. I pair this with instant pot mashed potatoes and my go-to asparagus. First things first, I'm prepping my salmon fillet by patting it dry. You want to make sure it's as dry as possible to ensure a nice golden crust when we fry it up. So I'm cutting my salmon into smaller fillets, then seasoning both sides liberally with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. I know, only salt and pepper? Don't worry. The rest of the flavor will be coming from our pan sauce. Now feel free to use a skinless fish, but mine is from Costco and it came with the skin. But I really don't mind it. I feel like it adds extra flavor and texture. Love it. In a frying pan over medium heat, I'm melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and cooking until the butter starts to brown, stirring constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the butter has browned, I'll add my salmon skin side down and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Don't forget to baste your salmon with the already flavorful brown butter. Once the second side is almost finished cooking, add the lemon zest and lemon juice. Keep stirring until the sauce has reduced. For my side, I steamed a pound of asparagus in a nonstick pan with a lid until tender. I removed the excess liquid, then added a drizzle of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter for some extra flavor. Sauté and add a sprinkle of Montreal steak seasoning, which I feel gives green vegetables a certain umami flavor that I find delicious. Please give it a try. Then add a sprinkle of toasted sliced almonds for a crunch. And it's ready to eat. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Bye!